Hi friends, my name is Akraf, and welcome to NetConnect. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the recovery mode error on Windows 10 where your system fails to load correctly. If you're seeing a screen that says something like, Windows didn't load correctly, or your PC needs to be repaired, don't worry, I'll guide you step by step on how to fix it. Step-by-step instructions. On the error screen, click on See Advanced Repair Options. Next, click on Troubleshoot. Then select Advanced Options. From the list of options, click on Command Prompt. Now choose your login user account. Enter your user password, then click Continue. Running repair commands. Once the command prompt window opens, type the following command: sfc/scanl chkdsk exit, and press Enter to close command prompt. Now select the option Continue Exit and continue to Windows 10. Your system should now begin loading Windows normally. That's it. As you can see, my Windows is now loading successfully. Thank you so much for watching NetConnect. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.